my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a homey vlog where I'm doing lots of bits and bobs around the house. I've been collecting this footage over the last week or so because I've been trying to do some DIY projects and some stuff around the house, but they're all getting the better of me. I do have one lampshade that currently looks like ramen noodles. You might see that on my channel, you might not, who knows. So I thought I would do something a little bit more casual and share with you a vlog today. So I guess this starts about a week ago. I was doing some cleaning and tidying around the house and I cleaned my bedroom and I sorted out some of my clothes. So here's what I did over the course of a few days. Have you ever gone to open your drawer and pick out a t-shirt for the day, only to find that the stack of t-shirts is slightly messy, maybe a little bit too stacked, maybe you've got a few too many things going on in there and you think, oh, I could really do with reorganizing that. Why? I can't actually open this. And then somewhere about 10 to 15 minutes later, instead of just reorganizing the one drawer, you then have a pile of stuff on your bed. Oops. Well, here we are. What have I done? So, I recently did just reorganize all of my drawers, but then the summer clothes came out and then I got very stressed and overwhelmed and I started stuffing stuff in drawers without really thinking about it. So here I am to just really go through and do a bit of decluttering and some organizing. This is not a how-to video because I've done so many of those. This is just a stress out with me video. So if you want to see me actually decluttering and giving tips, I will link some in the cards. If you want to see me suffer, keep watching. So this is some of the stuff, and as you can see it's mainly t-shirts and things like that. So I'm going to work my way through the pile and fold things and put them into categories: long sleeve, short sleeved, tank tops, and I'm going to put them away. I'll get back to you and see how it goes. Oh boy, do I have a lot of t-shirts. Update. I know it doesn't look like it, but these are somewhat categorized: tank tops, short sleeves, long sleeves, fancier t-shirts, and sweatshirts. Also, this pile I'm going to fold properly, but this is all going to the charity shop and that's going in the wash. So now I'm going to fold them. Yay. Okay, so progress has been made, believe it or not. It's been about an hour and this is what I've done. All of this is for the charity shop and I've got some more stuff downstairs, so I'm going to go and take that in about 10 minutes time. These are all nicely folded, however, I'm still dealing with the rest of this. Although I don't think it's as bad as it looks. I just need to fold it, I think. So let's take these and donate them. So this is what we're working with. I just need to make the bed because the bedding is pretty clean. I changed it last night, and then this is just not looking its best, I'll be honest. This is okay. I've just got a massive pile of stuff on the floor. I was doing some DIYs on my desk and that needs to be sorted. I have some rogue socks lying around. This is a pile of clothes that I unpacked from a trip recently and did a very bad job of unpacking. So I'm gonna start with the desk and I think I'm just gonna go clockwise or anti-clockwise and just go around the room and do my best. What's in the bag, Hermione? Well, iron-on patches with animals doing extreme sport, a pink raincoat that I've had since I was 12 years old that my nan has been trying to get me to either get rid of or take away from her house for a long time. Oh, my glasses prescription. What's that? Travel insurance. Some pictures of me as a baby. Apparently my family like to dress me as a little miniature trucker. Look at that. Oh, here we go. It's called fashion. And also, yes, this is where I get it from. Wow. Thanks, family. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm done. Trip down memory lane is done. So the room is looking so much better. I'm really, really happy with it. I do have a little pile here of stuff that I'm packing for holiday, so do ignore that. But other than that, I think it looks pretty tidy. And all of my clothes look like this. I have all my t-shirts by colour. I have tank tops, white t-shirts, colourful t-shirts, black, grey, long sleeves, hoodies, shorts, skirts, workout clothes, PJs and leggings, and jeans and trousers. And putting all of my books and DVDs here makes such a difference because I did have a TV here, but I moved it because I don't use it, so why not have stuff I actually reach for out instead? Don't mind this. I bought this at the BTS concert at Wembley and I want to get my money's worth out of it, so I've put it on the wall for the time being. So yeah, this makes a big difference. And that brings us to today. We are here. I am planning to do a little reshuffle of these shelves because I really want to put these books that are on my dresser behind me up on the shelves because I don't have any bookends, so they keep falling over. And shelves are for books anyway, right? So it makes sense. So this is what we're working with, and I just want to give it a reshuffle and make one of these shelves a bookshelf. So I've made a start, but I'm starting to think that I could probably do this in colour order. So I'm going to try it and see what it looks like. I think I've made a horrible mistake. I just don't really like it. There's just a lot of colour going on and I thought it would look really cute, and I still have loads of books that don't even fit in here, and CDs and DVDs and things that I'd like to add. I don't know, it's just a lot going on, and I liked how before it was nice and calm and neutral colours and pink. So I don't know what to do. I think for the meantime I'm gonna do something with the chest of drawers and figure it out. I think I have a plan though. I've actually got a massive pile of books downstairs as well, so what I could do is I could take some of the brighter coloured books and some of the DVDs actually and take them downstairs and see if that works, and maybe just take out a few chunks and put some boxes and stuff in between. We'll see. Okay, I'm on a roll. I'm gonna move something else in my room. See this mirror behind me? As you can see, when I'm filming, the light comes from the windows here, and I'll be filming happily, you know, talking to the camera, and suddenly I move and then my butt is in the shot. All the time. The amount of clips I've had to take out, especially when I'm wearing short shorts and think you can't see the bottom half of me, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna move it, and I think I'm gonna put it here. This is a horrible idea. If I break the radiator, oh my god, is this foreshadowing? Give me that. Come here. Oh no! Oh. Look at the chaos I've created. I cannot believe I tidied my room for this. I think we're gonna move you guys somewhere else. Sorry, boys. Here we go. The drawers aren't centered. Oh no! Okay, I quite like that there. I mean, it is a bit weird that it faces the bed, but I quite like it. I've been looking for a piece to go here for ages and everything was just too bright or too busy looking, so a mirror I think is perfect because it's just reflective. Well, that took a lot longer than I expected. I was only gonna shuffle around a few books. Here we are, 2 hours later, but I'm ready to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here's how it turned out. It might look a little bit cluttered, but I was able to free up some space from my desk, and I have everything that I need to access right there. I wanted to put all my jewellery stands here so I could put jewellery on in front of the mirror, and I added a lamp so I've got some light because there's a plug socket down here and there wasn't one where it was sat before. Oh my god, I fell over. I'm glad no one was here to see that, except, you know, the internet. And then on this one, I left most of this completely empty just to give it some white space, and I put the mirror in the center. And this is how the shelves turned out. Most of it stayed the same, but I've got more of the books up there, including quite a lot of books that I'm planning to read soon, so they're easy to access. So that's everything for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me tidy up and shuffle things around. I tend to do this a lot around the house all the time and I don't film it, but I should because I think it turned out really well this time. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you next time. Bye!